We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new service. This is the next video in our series to help you have an exceptional experience as your service is successfully provisioned. Here, we will explain what will happen on the day of installation. You will receive a separate email notifying you of the plan installation date. Then, as early as 2 days before the install date, the field technician will contact you. It may be a phone call or an email. On the day of installation, your AT&T technician will need 3 very important things from you. 1. Access to the local carrier room or closet in the building. This is the demarcation point, or Dmarc, between the local service provider's access circuit and your inside wiring. 2. Access to all equipment that has been shipped to the site. And finally, access to any restricted areas that the technician will need to provide the service from the Demarc to the router placement. If AT&T is your local carrier, our technician will arrive on site to install, test, activate, and label the access circuit at the Demarc. Complete any inside wiring that's needed, as well as mount and ground the router. Test the service by validating the speed of the circuit to the Demarc, the speed of the circuit from the Demarc to the router, and activate the circuit. Lastly, the technician will work with a remote AT&T testing engineer to resolve any issues that may arise. If the technician is unable to complete basic inside wiring due to it being a complex job, you might be requested to complete wiring with your own resources. Some common cases include extension of fiber circuits. You can consult the situation with your AT&T sales team, who can offer the best solution or suggest wiring vendors within AT&T. Once the complex inside wiring work is completed, an AT&T technician will come back to the site to complete all necessary testing to activate the service. If all AT&T work is completed during this visit and our automated testing of the service is successful, our field technician will leave the site and forward the turn-up process to an AT&T remote technician, who will continue to work on loading data on your router, which includes the automation process and setup of the class of service profile. The installation, or test and turn up, will complete in the AT&T systems the following business day. However, you will not be able to use your service until your LAN migration is completed. To activate the services at your local area network, you will need to schedule the LAN migration. Please note that the test and turn up will not cause any downtime to your existing service and can be scheduled also during your business hours. If AT&T is not your local carrier, the access circuit installation and the router installation are handled separately. You will receive a separate email from AT&T about the planned access circuit installation date. Once AT&T has received confirmation that the access circuit is installed and the router has been delivered, you will be notified of the AT&T installation date. Then, an AT&T technician will proceed with the site visit work described above to install your new service. If for any reason you are not ready for the AT&T site visit and installation work as described above, please contact the AT&T delivery team via email or call our care center to request a new installation date. We hope you have found this information helpful in understanding what will happen on the day of installation. We encourage you to contact the AT&T delivery team to get answers to any questions you may still have. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.